Fixing buffering issues on a Firestick can be a straightforward process. The problem is often caused by accumulated data or cache on streaming apps, and clearing this cache can significantly improve performance. Many users have reported an improvement in streaming quality after taking this step, particularly with third-party apps. However, buffering can also be a result of software or hardware issues, such as having too many applications running in the background, which can slow down the processing speed. To address this, stopping background apps and processes, or uninstalling them altogether, can be an effective solution. Additionally, network issues, including high traffic and insufficient bandwidth, can also lead to buffering. To resolve this, using a Wi-Fi extender or repositioning the Fire TV to receive a clearer network signal can make a significant difference. By taking these simple steps, buffering issues on a Firestick can be easily resolved, resulting in a smoother streaming experience.